In front of me is OPPO A83 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting settings and scrolling all the way down to hit split screen. Now use this sweater next to app split screen if it's not already on, and then this one next to swipe up with 3 fingers to enter split screen view. Following that, read all of those instructions, go back, open one of your apps you wish to use in this view, and then swipe with 3 fingers, and tap on a second app you wish to use. As you can see now, I can use both at once. To go back from this mode, you need to hold this green button in the middle and swipe one of your apps all the way up or all the way down, then hit home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!